Be a killer, yeah, Nazi black swastika. Every house lot, every bar stop stack liquor. What that clip forget the pan that bigger. Scoop.
Bless up to my loyal viewers them and my subscribers them who been a support this channel. So people, Vybz Kartel drop a song entitled Chip Glock. Vybz Kartel diss up some artists. Vybz Kartel attack a bag of lyrics in this song, people. So we come to talk about this song here from Vybz Kartel. People, Vybz Kartel go hard in this song here. Vybz Kartel give it a different side, and people, me like the delivery. So before kick off this review, leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, turn post notification on, so when the new upload them forward, you are the first one to get notified. People, a lot of people are talk about this song from Vybz Kartel, Chip Glock, and the song here, it a go on with a bag of things right now. So we come to talk about the song here.
Chip Glock, clap quicker, hot mosquito. Grab that trigger, drop that nigga. Scoop, pick him up, boy, hot spot quicker.
Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel kick it off and I say, chip that Glock at like mosquito. So basically what Vybz Kartel I make you know, when him chip the Glock, you know when a chip a Glock, people, everything a race out. So Vybz Kartel I say, they can them at like mosquito. When a mosquito bite it sting you know, people, it sting you. So Vybz Kartel I say, I see him where the binds them, I go sting you. Scope pick you up. You talk about hotspot quicker. You can't get for use now hotspot for text nobody. When the scope you pick you up, your life gone left you. At that Vybz Kartel I make we know. You lie down a med arrest. Nothing can save you. The hotspot where you feel like sick, pick up where I go pick up fast. That can't save you, brother.
Killer, yeah, Nazi black swastika. Every house lot, every bar stop stack liquor. What that clip forget the pan that bigger. Scoop.
So viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel say what that clip for nigga at the pan we have. Vybz Kartel say yo, every house locked down. You make every house, every bar locked down. Every bar have a locked down when him a step a road. So Vybz Kartel say yo, a beer killers him have around him. And you see the pan there where him a go use him a go empty out. Cause Vybz Kartel say yo, a rapid him have theme thing pan you know. And Vybz Kartel I make you know how evil him be in this song. Vybz Kartel I make you know how dark him be. People, me nah lie, me like the couple lines that me I hear so far. The song ya Vybz Kartel go hard, Vybz Kartel full up the song ya a lyrics. Me could hear
pick him up, boy, hot spot quicker. Be a killer, yeah, Nazi black swastika. Pull up in a black beamer, scrap the back window, Glock in a and hot.
Viewers and subscribers, so Vybz Kartel I say yo, you see whenever me pull up in a the beamer there, with us a scratch the window, Glock in a hand. So Vybz Kartel say yo, him ready for the killing, him prepare for everything. At that Vybz Kartel I make you know when you have the Glock in a hand, fi go chip it right now, fi go race out everything in a some boy skin. At that Vybz Kartel I make we know we have some evil man apart around, we have some evil killers. At that the DJ I make you know.
Hot finger, lock, drop timber. Them my Instagram top killer, villain at Tinder, drop top. Digger spot for your hopscotch, nigga. Pick your team. This a much bigger flap.
Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel said this a much bigger. So Vybz Kartel I say him in a bigger league. Vybz Kartel I make you know say yo, enough of them boy they them a hopscotch, them a internet bad man. People have some boy uncle bad pan the internet. At that the DJ I make we know say yo, enough of them boy where I run up them mouth say yo, them a bad man. Them uncle bad pan them finger, them know how to come forward pan the Instagram and make a one type and say yo, them are the baddest thing. Them boy they are hopscotch. Them boy they not in a fuel league. At that Vybz Kartel I make we know all the Gaza nation press on dislike button. Drop a comment in the comment section. Cause enough of them boy internet.
La Liga, bounty killer, my daddy, that's Godzilla. Do this we see the mad zigga, knock ups villa. Feds for your backup still a crash.
Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel say yo, the feds them have a backup right now. Them have a call. The feds them have a call more than one. Everywhere locked down to a Vybz Kartel a deal with the place. The feds them have a call. Be a backup. So people, we like how Vybz Kartel big up bounty killer in in this line, people. Cause I don't know a Bounty Killer put him to the forefront. So Vybz Kartel I say Bounty Killer a film daddy there. So you don't know a Bounty Killer push Vybz Kartel out there. Like how Vybz Kartel always give Bounty Killer the credit the viewers and subscribers. So we're gonna continue now and listen some more of what Vybz Kartel say. Cause Vybz Kartel in go evil and dark in this song, well deadly. And people, the youth, him a flow. I like how the DJ a flow. I like how Vybz Kartel dep on the rhythm and a chop it up viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel him a spit a whole heap of lyrics in this song. Vybz Kartel has everything.
In them one another. Any boy me go for with the berita parabella. I forget it, God evil pan another level. Yes, so you live alright, everybody.
Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel I say yes, so you live, brother. Everybody here, so we are got dash way. Vybz Kartel I say yo in evil pan another level. Vybz Kartel I say yo we dark, and we like how Vybz Kartel a go on in a this song. And people in this song Vybz Kartel a paint a vivid image. You can picture how Vybz Kartel a deal with the scene, people. Vybz Kartel I say yo we are gonna deal with the scene grimy. Anybody live over the yard there where you live, I go get it. And that the DJ I make we and know him nah save nobody. Vybz Kartel say nobody nah save in the house there. Everything we are going to chip out of the Glock, and everybody have to get dash which part you live at that. Vybz Kartel and make we and know this so people. So we are going to listen some more in this song and hear what Vybz Kartel have to say. But Vybz Kartel him a go hard, and I like that people. I don't know them song you will love for review were full of bag of lyrics. They like the song them have a whole heap of lyrics, people. Vybz Kartel attack a bag of things. Vybz Kartel I say yo when him chip out the Glock. Vybz Kartel I say yo him evil pan a next level.
But the vulnerable, cooler than the small man, equally abominable, horrible, terrible, cross like the devil, look, cross like Tivoli. Boy, I'm made up.
Viewers and subscribers, you ever see how when the devil cross or him look? Vybz Kartel I say yo him crosser than the devil. Vybz Kartel I say yo him cross like down at Tivoli. People know when Tivoli get for broke out, whole heap of war are going down there. I see him with Vybz Kartel say him cross like Tivoli man them, cause you don't know Tivoli man them a job people hard. I see him with Vybz Kartel I say I see him with badness steer. With badness no shiver down like some man badness. And that the DJ and make we and know people. Vybz Kartel say yo we bad out, yes so we are not internet bad man around us, so enough man they hungry bad pan them finger. And that the DJ and make we and know people. More if you see una run up the like button here right now. Order the Gaza Nation them comment your favorite line in the comment section. Chip Glock, it a going with a bag of things. A lot of controversy surround this song. A lot of people talk about the song when name Chip Glock, bad song. Check it out.
Double cross like the thing we kill Christ get send me. No mercy for me enemy. Cheap black, clap quicker, hot mosquito, grab that trigger.
So people, Vybz Kartel I say yo him not have no mercy, none at all. We not have no mercy for the enemy them. In cross like the thing we kill Jesus Christ. I see him with Vybz Kartel I say him cross. So Vybz Kartel I tell we say yo him evil and him dark. Him not have no mercy for people. Him not have no heart. Instead people, him not have no heart. Him no know one name. So and no one name mercy. So people, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn post notification on. If you feel the song, make me know people, cause the song I kinda like it. You see what I say? People, me give the song 8 out of 10. More you tell me how much you grade this song out of 10 viewers and subscribers. If you feel it, if you grade it the same way as how me grade it, let me know. But me give the song 8 out of 10 right now. Good delivery. I don't know Vybz Kartel, him always deliver some good song. We have to give Vybz Kartel that. A Vybz Kartel we are talk about. Vybz Kartel him always push out some unique song. We like the lyrics.
Stop stack liquor. What that clip forget the pan that bigger. Scoop pick him up, boy, hot spot quicker. Bill killer, yeah, Nazi black swash.
So people, Vybz Kartel I say yo the scope it pick you up. You talk about hotspot quicker. You see when the score pick you up, brother, you are gonna get dashy. Your body can't find with just a loss of life. You talk about hotspot quicker. You can't get pick up on a hotspot if you go text nobody if nobody come save you, or you feel like so nobody can come save around. Yeah, so that the DJ and make we and know. You talk about that clip, brother, the pan bigger. So Vybz Kartel I say yo are the pan him have right now. Vybz Kartel I say yo him thing very load up. So people, we are gonna leave the review. Yes, so someone big up the loyal people them who always support at Topic Entertainment channel. Respect for the love, I'm out.